Prospect refers to the possibility or likelihood of something happening in the future. It can also refer to a person or thing that is considered to have potential or is likely to succeed, especially in business or career contexts. Prospect equals a potential opportunity or chance for success in the future. Common uses include prospect as a noun meaning future possibility, such as the chance or likelihood of something happening. Example, the prospect of a promotion excited him. Prospect as a noun in business refers to a potential customer or client, especially one being considered for a sale. Example, the company is working on new prospects for their product. Prospect as a noun in career context means a possible future achievement or opportunity in a person's career. Example, she was excited about the career prospects after completing her degree. Prospect as a verb in business means to search for or investigate potential opportunities or clients. Example, the salesman spent the day prospecting for new clients. Examples of daily use sentences include, the prospect of traveling around the world is something I've always dreamed of. There are good job prospects in the technology industry. The company is always looking for new prospects to expand their market. His prospects in the company are bright due to his hard work and dedication. The prospect of winning the competition motivated him to train harder. Prospect refers to future opportunities, whether it's in terms of business, career, or personal goals. It's often used when discussing the potential for success or growth in the future.